Hello students, now I will explain matrices next part. So this is very important for your IPs and competitive, very important 7 marks questions. So system of simultaneous linear equations. So a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3 be the system of simultaneous non-homogeneous linear equations. So here non-homogeneous means all constants should be present. So the difference between homogeneous linear and non-homogeneous means homogeneous means here you will get zeros is equals to zeros it will come. So non-homogeneous means here constants will come. Constants will come. So here a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equals to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. So the matrix equation is given by ax is equals to d, where a is equals to 3 by 3 square matrix called as the quotient matrix, x is equals to xy called as variable matrix, d is equals to d1 d2 d3 called as constant matrix. So quotient matrix augmented with constant matrix called augmented matrix. Quotient matrix augmented with quotient matrix and here constant matrix together we called augmented matrix denoted by this like. So is equals to AD is equals to A1 B1 C1 D1, A2 B2 C2 D2, A3 B3 C3, A3 B3 C3 D3. So in this way we will do the problems in non-homogeneous linear equations. So if you take here A 3 by 3 square matrix, X 3 by 1 matrix. Why? Because we have taken like that only, 3 by 3 and X is 3 by 1. X is 3 by 1. So here Z is also there. So here Z is also there. So Z is also there. So here X is equals to X, Y, Z. Why? Because in what are the variables we are having? X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. So that's why 3 rows and 1 column. That's why A is 3 by 3 square matrix, X is 3 by 1 matrix. So your condition is satisfied. Column, row, same. So what is order? We will get 3 by 1. So the D also we got 3 by 1 or not? 3 rows and 1 column. So this in this way we will equate the equations. Next submatrix. A matrix obtained by deleting some rows or columns or both of a matrix is called submatrix of a given matrix. If A is equals to 1 minus 2 3 0 minus 1 4 minus 2 2 1, then submatrix of A are. So here I am deleting second row and third column. So what are the remaining elements? 1 minus 2 minus 2 2. So it is of one of the submatrix. How we got this? By deleting second row and third column. Next, see, just I am for next submatrix I am deleting first row. So what are the remaining elements? 0 minus 1 4 minus 2 2 1. So it is also submatrix obtained by deleting first row. So next I have deleted first column and third column. What are the remaining elements? Minus 2 minus 1 2. So it is also one of the submatrix. So here which one I applied here? One row and column. Here row only I deleted. Here two columns. That's why some rows or columns are both. So in this way submatrix will form. Next, rank of a matrix. Let A be a non-zero matrix. The rank of A is defined as maximum of orders of the non-singular square matrices of A. It is denoted by rank of A. So let A be a non-zero matrix. The rank of A is defined as maximum of orders of non-singular square submatrices. Maximum means highest order. So A is non-singular matrix of order 3. Then rank of A is 3 if A is non-singular, 2 if A is singular and at least one of its 2 by 2 submatrix is non-singular. 1 if every 2 by 2 submatrix is singular. So this is the condition you should remember. Rank 3 means A should be non-singular. Rank 2 means if A is singular and at least one of its 2 by 2 submatrices is singular. Rank 1 means if every 2 by 2 submatrix is singular. So now we'll do some problems related to rank. So if A is equals to 3 by 3 square matrix, then find rank of A. So first we have to find rank means you should calculate determinant. So 1 into 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1. So so you are getting zeros only. So determinant 0 means A is singular. A is singular means rank of A cannot be 3. So rank of A is not equal to 3. Now we will take submatrix. Let 1 1 1 1 be the submatrix of A. Now we will find determinant here. So 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1. So 1 minus 1 how much? 0. Similarly determinant of every submatrix of A is also 0. So therefore rank how much we got? 1. Rank how much? 1 according to third point. If every 2 by 2 submatrix is singular, then we will get rank is 1. So if you take any 2 by 2 matrix here, rank you will get 1 only. Why? Because you will get singular matrix. If you take any 2 by 2 square matrix here, you will get determinant is 0. So simply rank is 1. Next, if A is equals to 1 2 3 2 3 4 0 1 2, then find rank A. So determinant of A is equals to 1 2 3 2 3 4 0 1 2. So expand along R1. So 1 into 3 into 2 how much? 6 minus 1 into 4 is 4. Next plus minus plus means minus 2 into 2 to the 4, 0 into 4 is 0 plus 3 into 2 1s are 2 minus 0 into 3 0. So 6 minus 4 is 2, 4 minus 0 is 4, 2 minus 0 is 2. So 1 to the 2, 2 4 the 8, 3 to the 6. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0. So A is a singular matrix. Rank of A is not equal to 3. Now go for submatrix. Let 1 2 3 1 2 2 3 be a submatrix of A. Find determinant 1 into 3 minus 2 into 2. 1 3 the 3, 2 to the 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. We got determinant not equal to 0. So rank of A is, so first of all it is a non-singular matrix, we got non-singular submatrix of A. So rank of A is 2. So in this way we will find rank, children. Next, consistent and inconsistent equations. The system of linear equations is consistent if it has a solution. The solution may be unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solutions. Inconsistent if it has no solution. So consistent means only unique and infinite. Inconsistent means it has no solution. Sorry, I have explained here in this only no solution. So next, so we have taken quotient matrix 3 by 3 and augmented matrix. So the system of three equations Ax is equal to D has unique solution if rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AD is equal to 3. Infinitely many solutions if rank of A is equal to rank of AD less than 3. So unique and more rank of A is equal to rank of AD equal to 3. Infinitely many solutions means if rank of A equal to rank of AD less than 3. No solutions means if rank of A is not equal to rank of AD. Rank of A not equal to rank of AD. These are the three key points to the below problems. So next we will do problems. Important, very very important 7 marks questions. Solve x plus y plus z is equal to 4, 2x plus 5y minus 2z equal to 3, x plus 7y minus 7z equal to 5 using rank method. So let us take A is equal to quotients 1, here y quotient is 1, z quotient is 1. Next, in second equation, x quotient 2, y quotient 5, z quotient -2. Next, third, x quotient is 1, y quotient is 7, and z quotient also, z quotient is 7. Z quotient is -7. So x quotient is 1, y quotient is 7, z quotient is -7. So next augmented matrix same up to here, and we'll write constants also 4, 3, 5. So we'll find determinant of AD, augmented matrix. So here we should follow upper triangular matrix. So we have to make, for any this type of model, second row first element is 0 and third row first element is 0 and third row second element is 0 by using row operations. So I am not disturbing any first row. First row is same as it is. So to make second row first element 0, what we should do? We should take row R2 minus 2 times of R1. Why? Because here 2 is there, here 1 is there. So to make 1 as 2, we should multiply by 2. Next, R3. To make this third row first element is 0, we have to make R3 minus R1. Just simply if you do minus, you will get. So I wrote first row as it is. So here second row 2 minus 2 ones are 2. Next here 5 minus 1 to the 2. Minus 2 minus 1 into 2 is -2. 3 minus 2 for the 8. Next 1 minus 1. Next 7 minus 1. Next -7 minus 1. Next 5 minus 4. That only I have written here. Whatever I wrote. So here first row I wrote as it is. 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. -2 minus 2 is -4. 3 minus 8 is -5. Why? Because we are having big number is negative symbol. That's why, right? Minus 1 minus 1 0. 7 minus 1 6. -7 minus 8. -7 minus 1 is -8. Next here 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we have to make third row second element as 0. Follow this upper triangular matrix. So to make this third row second column as 0 means, the second element as 0 means, what we should do? R3 should write as it is. -3 times of R2 if you do, you are getting, condition is satisfied. So I wrote first row as it is, second row as it is, third row. So 0 minus 0 is 0 only. 6 minus 2 3 is 6. -8 minus of -4 to the -8. 1 minus of -5 into 2 is 10. Minus of -10. So first row second row I wrote as it is, 0 as it is. 6 minus 6 is 0. So -8 plus 8 also 0. Next here 1 plus 10 is 11. So we got the format like upper triangular matrix. So determinant of A is equals to, now take these values. Don't write these last column values. Take first 3 columns. 1 1 1 0 3 4 0 3 minus 4 0 0 0. See, I already told in properties of determinants, if every element of row or column is 0, determinant is 0. So without learning concept, you cannot do the problems. To save the time, you should read the properties. So determinant of A is equals to 0. Directly you can write, no need to do anything. Why? Because every element of third row is 0. So rank of A is not equals to 3. Submatrix. Take the submatrix 1 1 0 3. So 1 into 3 minus 0 into 1. 1 3 are 3, 0 1 are 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Not equals to 0. Therefore rank of A is 2. So determinant of augmented matrix AD is equals to X. So I have taken like this 1 1 4 1 1 4 0 3 minus 5 0 0 11. So expand along R1. So 1 into 3 into 11 minus 0 into minus 5. Minus 1 into 0 into 11 minus 0 into minus 5. Plus 4 into 0 into 0 minus 0 into 3. So 3 into 11 33 minus into minus plus 0. Minus 1 0 minus 0 plus 4 into 0 minus 0. We got 33. not equal to 0. I have calculated augmented matrix submatrix determinant. I have calculated this matrix submatrix determinant, augmented submatrix. So it is also got not equal to 0. So rank of AD is equal to how much? We got 3. So rank of A we got 2, rank of AD we got 3. Both ranks are different, so not equal. The system of equation has no solution. The system of equation has no solution. So it is very very important 7 marks question. Next question. Solve x plus y plus z equal to 6. X minus y plus z equal to 2. 2x minus 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 9 using rank method. So here I have written A equal to quotient of x1, y1, z1, x1, y is minus 1, z is 1, next x is 2, y is minus 1, z is 3. AD is equal to this one. So determinant of AD. So same upper triangular matrix. So what is our concept? We should make the second row first element 0, third row first element 0, third row second element 0. So first we will make second row first element, third row first element is 0. So R2 means R2 minus R1, just simply you are getting. R3 means R3 minus 3 times of 2 times of R1 if you do, you will get 0. So I wrote first row as it is. So 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 6. Next to 2 minus 2 1 are 2, minus 1 minus 2. Next to 3 minus 2, 9 minus 6 to the 12. So I wrote first row as it is. 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 6 is minus 4, 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, 3 minus 2 1, 9 minus 12 is minus 3. Now what is our task? We have to do third row second element as 0. Means what we should do? R3 is equal to 2 times of R3 minus 3 times of R2. Just do constants zigzag and do row operation. So I wrote first row as it is, second row as it is, third row 0 minus 0 is 0. Next here minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus of minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Next 2 1s are 2, minus 0. Next minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus of minus 4 3 are 12. So that only I wrote here, children, see. So first row I have written same, second row I have written same. So here third row 0, minus 6, minus of minus plus 6, 0. 2 minus 0 is 2, minus 6 plus 12 is how much? Plus 6. So now find determinant of A. Don't write fourth column. So expand along C1. So here 1 into 2 into 2 minus 0. So expand along C1 means 0 into something 0, again 0 into something is 0. So 1 into minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 not equal to 0. So rank of A is equal to 3. Next augmented matrix, submatrix. So I have taken here 1 0 0, 1 minus 2 0, 6 minus 4 6. So don't leave the last column. Apart from that you can eliminate any column and you can find. But you should take fourth column compulsory to find determinant of AD submatrix. Expanding along C1. So 1 into 2 into 2 into 6. 1 into 2 minus 2 into 6 minus of 0 into 4 is nothing but 0. So minus 0 into something 0 plus 0 into something 0. 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into 6 how much? Minus 12. So minus 12 not equal to 0. Rank of A is equal to 3. So rank of A we got 3 only. Why? Because here rank of A how much we got? 3. And rank of AD also we got 3. Both are equal. So system of equations has unique solution. So from 1 we are having x plus y plus z is equal to 6. From this condition I have written, children, x plus y plus z equal to 6. Next what we can write? X is 0, no need to write. So minus 2y is equal to minus 4 we can write. Next step 2z is equal to 6. So minus 2y minus 4 equal to, send minus 2 multiplication minus 2 that side, it will become division, minus minus cancel, to 1 the 2 to the y equal to 2. So I have told already from 1 we are having 2z equal to 6, send 2 that side, multiplication will become division, to 1 the 2 3 the z equal to 3. Substitute y is equal to 2, z equal to 3 in equation 2, x plus 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5, send 5 that side, 6 minus 5 is 1. So we got that unique solution is what? X equal to 1, y equal to 2, z is equal to 3. Next question, solve x minus 3y minus 8z equal to minus 10, 3x plus y minus 4z equal to 0, 2x plus 5y plus 6z equal to 13 using rank method. So augmented matrix I have written x equal to 1 minus 3 8 minus 8 minus 10, next to 3 1 minus 4 0, I have written second row, 2 5 6 13 third row. So determinant. So what is our task? We have to make second row first element 0 and third row first element 0. To make second row first element 0, R2 minus 3 times of R1 is a do row operation. R3 means R3 minus 2 times of R1. I wrote first row as it is, second row 3 minus 1, next 1 minus of minus 3 3 the 9 minus 9, next minus 4 minus of minus 8 3 the 24, 0 minus of minus 10 3 the 30, next 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2, 5 minus of minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, 6 minus of minus 8 into is nothing but minus 16, 13 minus of minus 10 into 2 is 20. So here first row as it is, 3 minus 3 0, 1 minus of minus 9 is plus 9, minus 4 minus into minus plus, 0 minus into minus plus 30, 2 minus 2 0, minus 5 minus of minus is plus 6, 6 minus of minus is plus 16, 13 minus of minus 20 is plus 20. So here 1 plus 9 is 10, minus 4 plus 24 is 20, 0 plus 10 is 30, 5 plus 6 11, 6 plus 16 is 22, 13 plus 20 is 33. I have written like that only. So now what is our task? We have to make third row second element as 0. So I wrote first row as it is, second row as it is. So third row 0 minus 0 0, next 11 10 the 110 minus 11 10 the 110, next 22 10 the 220 minus 11 20 the 220. Here 33 10 the 330 minus 11 30 the 330. So we are getting entire third row is 0. So determinant is equal to 0. Properties of determinants I have told before only. If you either one row or column is 0, determinant is 0. Rank of A is not equal to 3. So find sub matrix 1 minus 3 0 10. So 1 into 10 minus 0 into minus 3. 1 10 the 10 minus into minus plus 0. 10 plus 0 is 10, not equal to 0. Rank of A is equal to 2. Next augmented sub matrix. So what is the remaining part? We have to take compulsory this fourth column. So first column and second column also I have taken. You can take first column, second column, third column. In that 3 columns you can take any 2 columns, your wish, but take like this, better option. So 1 0 0 minus 3 10 0 minus 10 30 0. So here also one row is 0, determinant is 0. Properties of determinant. Rank of D is not equal to 3. Sub matrix 1 minus 3 0 10. So 1 into 10 minus of 0 into minus 3. 10 plus 0 is 10, not equal to 0. Rank of AD is 2. So both ranks are equal but less than 3 we got. Both ranks are equal but less than 3. Why? Because rank we got 2. So system has infinite solutions. So from 1 what we get? X minus 3y minus 8z equal to minus 10. Next equation 10y plus 20z equal to 30. Next z is not there. So here in the second equation 10y plus 20z, we can take 10 common, y plus 2z. Send 10 outside, 3 10 1 the 10 3 the. So y plus z is equal to 3. So let us assume z is equal to k. So from 3 y plus 2k equal to 3, y equal to send 2k that side, plus will become minus. Substitute above value in equation 2. What is our equation to? X minus 3y means y plus how much you got? 3 into 2k minus 8z means 8 into z value we have taken k is equal to minus 10. Send minus 3 inside. Minus into plus is minus 3. 3 the 9. Minus into minus plus. 3 to the 6. Minus 8k. 6k minus 8k is 2k. Minus 2k. Why? Because big number is having negative sign. Send these values outside. Minus will become plus. Minus will become plus. So minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. This can be written as 2k minus 1. Therefore x is equal to 2k minus 1. Y is equal to 3 minus 2k. Z is equal to k. For all k belongs to R. R means real numbers. So in this way we will find the rank problems, children. It is very important. Okay, thank you.